Welcome to this video, how to order from Domino's online. If you get value from this, drop a like onto this video and let's just get into it. So I'm on the Domino's website. You can see right here that it says you can order online. So you want to start your order, and this is great because then you don't need to phone, you don't need to go to the Domino's. You can just order it online and get it delivered straight to your door. So you want to choose either delivery or carry out. So I'm going to select delivery, and then basically what you have to do is you have to sign into the Domino's website. So I'm not going to create an account right here, but basically once you've selected delivery or carry out and you've signed into your Domino's account, you can go back and then you can choose what you want to get delivered. So you can see you can get this special right here, which is get one medium pizza. So if we click onto that, you can choose anything from the menu, and you can also get coupons and stuff like that applied to your order. But basically you have to fill in your address, you have to fill in your payment method, and then you have to decide what you want to order from the Domino's website. If you go to the main page again, you can click here where it says menu, and you can choose anything from the menu. So specialty pizza, sides, drinks, desserts. So specialty pizza. And then when you're signed into your account, you can basically choose any of these items that you want to order. So you'll basically just click the red order now button and then add everything you want to order into your one cart. Then you can go to your cart right here once you've signed in, and you can check out with your debit or credit card. So just enter in the 16-digit number on the credit or debit card, the expiration date, and the CVV code on the back, and then they'll deliver that order straight to your door. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next video.